Okay, so in Act 4, Scene 4, again, we are in Dover and we have the war that's beginning to start. Cordelia is in Dover and she is looking for Lear. We have a doctor that enters the scene, and Cordelia orders the doctor to go to Lear because remember, he was in the storm for a long time, stripped of his clothes, kind of really mad. This just kind of shows that Lear um, needs some support still. He still needs to heal. He's still kind of mad in a way. Um, so this just still shows that Cordelia is loyal to her father despite being banished. She is a queen. She does have power. And remember, we learned in Act 4, Scene 3, that Albany is now loyal to Lear. So that is Act 4, Scene 4. Act 4, Scene 5, remember, we have the love triangle between Goneril, Regan, and Edmund, okay? So we learned that Cornwall, the Duke of Cornwall, has been killed by his servant, which is Regan's husband, okay? Goneril showed favor to Edmund. She gives him a kiss, but now that Regan is a widow, there's this kind of spicy love triangle going on. So I will add in here, maybe we'll say love triangle. Interesting. We'll say, now that Regan is a widow, she shows her favor towards the Earl of Gloucester, Edmund. Goneril also shows favor to Edmund because her husband, Albany, no longer supports her. She kissed him in a previous scene. In Act 4, Scene 5, Regan goes to Oswald and tries to convince him with money to go to Edmund and to give him a love letter. So things are getting a little juicy here between these two sisters, and tensions are kind of rising between those two girls. They are very enticed by Edmund because he has a title. So both sisters like Edmund, not only because he is handsome, but because he holds power with his title. So we'll see how that plays out in the next few scenes, especially with the war between Britain and France occurring.